my channel. It's me, Lasagna with Miss Star's Handmade Creations, and today I come to you with another Peachy cheap order, and I was super excited for this one. All right, let's pull it out. I haven't been getting a lot on there, but I absolutely wanted this one. Okay, so of course it is Halloween themed. So the first thing we got here is tape. It says trim tape, Halloween. Look at the difference. They got one that's a thin one, has numbers, the stripes, wording, and then black. It looks like it's just black. And then this one looks like a little smoky kind of. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different tapes. Awesome. Then we got this one's called, it's called October Afternoon Witch Hazel. So it has these cards. Oh my gosh, look at that. I'm gonna try to go through them pretty fast. I love that one. Wow, they're double-sided. No, look at this ghost. Love it. Very nice. And I was like, ooh, I can't pass that one up. I love these cards. Huh. Student Halloween quiz. I have to read that one. Witch. Oh, I love this one with the song Halloween is Coming. Halloween 3 + 1. And then that one. Now that's cute. Love, love, love. Then we got this stamp that has 6 different images, and here they are on the back. Happy Halloween, trick or treat, Halloween with a banner, boo, a bone, and 3 pumpkins. That's awesome. Then we have these, it's called Pelican Stickers, and they're alphabets. And it looks like we got 2 different colors, like a mint and an orange. And do you get lower? No, you don't get lowercase. That's okay. Then we got these here. I love foam stickers. This is called the Boo Crew, and there are 53 stickers. Absolutely love it. I'm loving these eyes, guys. So cool. October 21st. 31st. That's my birthday, October. Happy Halloween, Hocus Pocus. Then on the back, hey, pumpkin. Trick or treat, beware, spooky, eek. This is so cute. And then you get 2 more sets of eyes. I love those eyes. I thought maybe they glowed in the dark, but they don't. They look like it though. And then we got this one again, Witch Hazel, some more ephemera. Let's see. So cute. Little kitty cat. I love these tickets. Look at that. Candy apple. This is so cute. All right, we looked at the cat design. Another design, a bat. Boo. I'm loving this ephemera. Look at the witch. Halloween. No more skulls. A cat. Star. Look at this pumpkin with the owl on it. An owl. More skulls. Bats. Pumpkins. Oh, I'm loving this. Yes. Look at the little scary cat. Stars. There's another witch. She's pretty. Riding on her broom. Yes. October 31st. A tall cat. Some more bats and pumpkins. Got the hat. Pumpkin. Beware. Spooks come out tonight. I know that's right. I love this star. Has music notes on it. Halloween banner. Poison. Yes. Some more stars. Another label, Witch Hazel. I love that. And then look at this spooky tree. Awesome. Love, love, love. Move those out the way. And this is the reason I got the kit, really. It's for this paper, guys. Oh my gosh. I've never received a kit with the paper like this. So let's open it up and see. And these, I think, are 8.5 by 11. And they usually have the pads, you know, but this one came single sheets like this. Look at that. Ooh, they're thick too. Oh my gosh. These are some 120-pound papers, guys. This is thick. It says, so pumpkins, and some of them say trick or treat, October 31st. Boo, beware of the spooks. Double-sided? No, not double-sided, but look like you get 2 of those. And then you get this beautiful mint polka dot. There's 2 of those. This is some thick paper. Oh my goodness. Then you get the black stars. Then you get the music note. I love music notes. Oh, I love it. And it's got spider webs behind cobwebs. Oh my gosh, that's too cute. And then the last set have some images behind with that spider web in the front. I love it. Got flowers. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. So you get 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 papers, and this has to be 110 pounds. This is very thick. So did y'all get this collection? Y'all let me know what you think. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, bye-bye.